Welcome back. Let's do question 113. We are factorizing this expression. How can we factorize this expression? We have to factorize by grouping in pairs. If you check here, the first two terms, we have the highest common factor, which is y. And then the second pair, we'll see how we can create what? A common bracket here. So let's see the first pair. We can factor out y. Y divided by y will remain with 1. Negative xy divided by y will remain with negative x. And then here we have x minus 1 like this. So what should we do? This one is x minus 1, this one is 1 minus x. We have to create a common bracket. So we have to factor out negative 1 from these two. Okay, let's just do that. Then we factor out negative 1. Then it becomes negative x plus 1, which is just the same as y, 1 minus x, then negative 1, then 1 minus x. Now we have a common bracket, which is 1 minus x. We factor it out. So 1 minus x, y times 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x, you remain with y. And then negative 1 times 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x, you remain with negative 1. Or just take the common bracket. The common bracket forms your first bracket. And then these two, y and negative 1, form the second bracket. Then we factorize fully.